Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare Sev Bhaji recipe. This recipe is spicy and flavorful Maharashtrian dish featuring crispy chickpea flour noodles shev. Shev Bhaji is a spicy Maharashtrian curry made by simmering flavorful coconut, onion, tomato paste with spices. This recipe, Shev Bhaji or noodles of chickpea flour, best served with jawar or bajra roti, also with wheat chapati, also with butter. The key is using thick spicy shev or noodles to prevent it from immediately turning into mash. This recipe is also known as thick chickpea noodles gravy. In this recipe we are using thick chickpea noodles. Thick shev or noodles act like sponge. It stays crunchy on inside, while the outer layer soak up the spicy gravy. In this recipe, we are using thick chickpea noodles. These thick chickpea noodles or shev are already spicy. They will release their own heat and flavor into the gravy as they soak. While making the gravy of this recipe, we should add little bit of red chili powder in the masala paste because the chickpea noodles or shev is already spicy. We only need to provide the base flavor and colors. Ingredients needed for this recipe are: the main ingredient is 1 cup of thick spicy shev or chickpea noodles which are spicy. Other ingredients are 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 large tomato finely chopped, fresh green coriander leaves. Next is ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of oil. In spices we need cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder and salt for taste. First step is to roast and grind the masalas. Roast slice onions until golden brown. Add grated dry coconut. Roast until brown and grind all the spices and ingredients like coconut, onion, ginger garlic paste, fresh green coriander leaves and add little water to grind these all ingredients. While blending, use minimum amount of water. The thick concentrate paste will fry much better in oil. Blend until the paste is completely fine and smooth. Second step is to prepare the temperings. Heat oil in a pan or kadai. Add cumin seeds and ginger garlic paste. Shoot for just a few seconds to avoid the burning. Now add the ground masala paste. Prepare in grinder. Shoot on medium flame until the oil separates. Shoot the prepared paste in hot oil on low flame until the oil starts to separate from the sides. This process ensures the flavors are locked in and gravy won't feel watery later. You can add dry spices at this stage when the oil starts separating from the gravy. Shoot on medium flame until the oil separates. Now you can add turmeric powder, fresh green coriander leaves, little bit amount of coriander powder. If you want spicy, you can add little chili powder also at this stage. Garam masala. Mix all the ingredients in this gravy. Stir it well. Shoot for at least 2 to 3 minutes. When all the ingredients and spices are well cooked, at this stage pour 1.5 cup of hot water and salt for taste. Bring this gravy to boil and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the desired consistency is reached. We have to add hot water at this stage. Mix and stir all the ingredients with hot water. To achieve the perfect chickpea noodles consistency or Shev Bhaji consistency, you need to balance the initial thickness of gravy with the high absorption rate of chickpea noodles. The gravy should initially be watery. This is because the thick chickpea noodles act like sponge and quickly absorb the amount of liquid, thickening the dish as it sets. At this stage, total amount of chickpea noodles, add half amount of chickpea noodles or shev directly into the gravy. Add the first half of spicy thick shev into boiling gravy and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. These noodles will soften and release their chickpea starch, besan and spices into liquid. That naturally thickens the gravy and give it deep savory flavor. While serving this recipe, sprinkle the remaining parts of noodles or shev on the top of the bowl. This provides essential crunch against the softened gravy soaked noodles. Serve hot and garnish with fresh green coriander leaves and chopped onions. Also the lemon on the top of crunchy shev or noodle layers. If you like this crispy, spicy chickpea recipe or Shev Bhaji, please subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.